My name is Chris Padgett. I own Ayres Brake Alignment Center. Address here is 1739 Shaber Avenue, Sparks, Nevada. Been in business since 1979. We are the 2022 associate title sponsor for Battleborn Motocross. We primarily do brakes, suspension, and alignment repairs. We do anything from lift kits to lower end cars, custom alignments. We used to do exhaust, that we no longer do anymore. Wheels, tires, pretty much anything underneath the car. Battleborn will help us out as far as getting our name out there. Some of the other racers and the families of racers know where to take their cars, for the everyday things that we do. It takes its toll going race to race. So to me, Ayres is special for a number of reasons. We give discounts to veterans, first responders, police, anyone that helps people. So even nurses, it don't matter. Family's family, everybody needs help. We'd like to earn business, and it's been in business so long. It was started by Bob and Beverly Ayres back in 1979. Their son Rob worked here, their daughter worked here, and it's just carried on a legacy. What this business means to me is it gives me an opportunity to leave a legacy for my kids like Mr. Ayres was able to do for his kids. It's a family-owned business. I work here, my wife works here, both of my kids work here, my stepson helps out here and there. I've got a group of great guys that are out here, also motorcycle enthusiasts. It keeps it family oriented. It's just a good place to be. When you show up to races, you find family. That's kind of what brought me to wanting to be an associate title sponsor. I've got a couple of teenagers that are racing now, and I did it more for the opportunity to keep motocross alive. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend other businesses to help sponsor the Battleborn Motocross Association. It's a way to keep motocross alive. This is a family-oriented sport. You camp, you barbecue, you all hang out together. Everybody's friendly, keeps your kids in shape, keeps them driven to move forward. They want to get faster, they want to get better, they look up to the faster kids. And why wouldn't you want to be a part of that? I was offered a job here back in 2004, I believe. As the manager, was able to come in, work under the owner at the time, all the way up until 2020. He had been here 41 years, decided he wanted to retire, and gave me the opportunity to purchase a place. I don't want to reinvent the wheel. What we have here works. It is a staple in Sparks, Nevada. Manufacturing was slowed down. Horrible time to buy a business, but was able to make it work and made it through, probably the worst time. Even though a lot of people weren't driving during that time, our business had a pretty big impact, as it still does today. So we overcame COVID-19, again, because we're a very reputable shop. We do a lot of work for body shops, doing suspension repairs, alignments. Our customer base, the heritage of this place, and a lot of that carried us through. They really were in business since the 60s doing parts. They were even selling alignment machines out of this business early on, back in the 70s and 80s. I had an opportunity to come work for Ayres after working for a few different dealerships, and it was just a total different change of pace. We have certain promotions throughout the years, like there's always Shocktober, where if you need shocks or struts. There's a lot of buy three, get one free promotions. Same with tires, specific brands come out with deals throughout the year, and we try to update our Facebook to relay some of those deals if you're in the need for shocks or tires. I started riding dirt bikes when I was 12 years old, just riding little beaters out in the backyard and up in the fields. When I turned 18, I went and bought a dirt bike, financed one, and then started racing. So when I quit riding in 2009, there wasn't much going on. You show up to the races and there's a handful of trailers in the pits, no pros anymore. So to be gone for so long and come back and see that it's back to what it was, like when I was 18, it was amazing. The first race that I went to was the end race in 2021 at Winnemucca, and it was insane to see the turnout, just how nice everybody was. It brought back that family atmosphere. That's the reason why I wanted to be an associate title sponsor, just to give back. It's an awesome atmosphere, it really is. And then just to see the rigs and the trailers, to know that we can help families get there safe is, one of the reasons why we did what we did. We went up to the riders meeting and Dana, the president at the time, was reading off all the sponsors, jumped on Battleborn's website, clicked the little link for the sponsorship and sent an email in, and it just seemed like a great opportunity. So sent me a form, talked about doing it, and got a hold of me after the beginning of the year, and we dove in. They're always looking for sponsors. There's a lot of things people can do to help. So appreciate you guys doing what you do. We got Colton Smith Media here doing an interview, helping promote our business, which helps promote Battleborn Motocross. Didn't know we were gonna do this. I just figured I'd, write a check, have our name announced a few times. So thank you, thank you Battleborn. It's been a great experience.
Do you have like a favorite saying or anything?
All mine are from like Talladega night. If you ain't first, you last.